Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oscillating tool blades that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fein 35,222,942,080 Best Oscillating Saw Blades Kit. Fein oscillating tool blades are made in Germany and are built with the Starlock mount design, which means that they will fit multi-tools made by competitors as well as its own brand. This saw blade kit comes with 2 160 long life blades, 2 161 long life blades, 1 151 universal blade, 1 152 universal blade, and a carrying case that can hold up to 30 blades total. According to customer reviews, Fein makes some of the best oscillating tool blades for cutting metal and are great for getting jobs done speedily. However, many others claim that they get used to pretty fast and become dull or unusable after a fair amount of use. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Platinum Blades QFM 187 Oscillating Multi-Tool Blade Bundle. These platinum oscillating multi-tool blades conveniently come in a pack of 15 different blades and accessories, perfect for someone who may be working with different surface materials. This product is a great pick for those who are contractors or work on construction sites on a regular basis, as they have an astonishing wear tolerance and life for long-term projects and use, thanks to the thick gauge metals. In addition to that, the universal arbor can be adjusted into several different positions to ensure that you can work precisely and accurately. This oscillating multi-tool blade bundle is moderately priced and would likely fit into the budget of most homeowners. At number 3, we have the Dremel MM500 Carbide Flush Cutting Blades. These Dremel oscillating tool blades conveniently come in a pack of 3 and are made with carbide tooth blade material that allows the user to cut into some hard material at a high performance rate. This means that it is capable of not only cutting through hardwoods and plaster, but it can also plow through nails, screws, stainless steel bolts, pipes, cement, slate, and even sheet metal. In addition to that, they have the universal quick fit system designed to them, which means that it won't take the user much time at all to switch out accessories. These blades are highly rated among previous customers, and are actually a lot less expensive than its competitors as well. At number 2, we have the Dremel MM501. This grout removal blade for oscillating tools is highly rated due to its lightweight and compact features and ability to function at high speeds. As far as its design goes, the lightweightness and compactivity make it easy to use for extended work hours in smaller spaces with impeccable precision. The high speeds give the user the advantage of getting the project done faster with an especially smooth finish. This blade is compatible with any standard multi-tool as it is within the dimensions of a universal fit. When it comes to prices, this blade is right on par with its competitors and seems to be one of the most regularly purchased models. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT DWA4200 Oscillating Sanding Pad. This oscillating sanding pad has a universal fitment and can be used on the majority of big brands. And for a fairly low price, a user working on a home project won't have to worry about replacing them down the line. Customers who have used this product in the past have made claims that they are very user-friendly and are relatively efficient for getting work done. In addition to that, they are easy to change once you need to replace the pad for a new one. Some feedback has claimed that these sanding pads tend to melt during use, but at least they can be swapped out when this happens. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.